Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Ford's 2009 to 2014 F150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove or lift your cab out of the way. Remove your cab mount's bushing as well as the grounding strap using a 5/16 socket. Cut off the factory front cab mount and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement front cab mount and hold it up to the silhouette where your factory cab mount was originally located. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your front cab mount onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 4. With the 5/16 socket, reinstall your grounding strap. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your cab mount's bushing in your cab. Then you're done.